Just 3 days after images surfaced of China's first known crewed tiltrotor aircraft, we now have our first look at a previously unknown compound coaxial helicopter. This aircraft, whose designation remains unclear, is undergoing test flights and appears to be a direct clone of the US-made Sikorsky S-97 Raider. The leaked images, reportedly from China's Weibo, show the rotorcraft in flight. Its resemblance to the Raider is unmistakable. The helicopter uses the same propulsion layout, 4-blade coaxial main rotors and a pusher propeller. Its size, fuselage shape, and landing gear configuration are nearly identical. The only notable difference is in the tail fin design. This is not the first time Chinese aerospace projects have mirrored Western designs. The Harbin Z-20 is widely seen as a clone of the UH-60 Blackhawk, while the FH-97 drone looks almost identical to the XQ-58A Valkyrie. Accusations of cyber theft targeting U.S. defense contractors have only fueled this perception. The original S-97 was developed by Sikorsky as a fast, agile helicopter capable of reaching speeds above 200 knots. Its design was meant to serve as a technology testbed for future military rotorcraft, including the Raider X. Although the U.S. Army canceled its Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft program in 2024, the S-97's advanced configuration remains impressive. At the heart of this design is the combination of coaxial rotors and a pusher propeller. Together, they deliver higher speeds, greater maneuverability, rapid acceleration and deceleration, and longer range compared to conventional helicopters. The aircraft can also perform unique maneuvers, like pirouetting nose down around a single point, and can maintain level flight even at top speed. While the U.S. Army chose the Bell V-280 Valor tiltrotor over Sikorsky's Defiant X for its future long-range assault aircraft program. China seems to be exploring both paths, compound coaxials and tilt rotors. This suggests the People's Liberation Army may be evaluating which design best suits future battlefield requirements. The timing is notable. China is advancing both tiltrotor and coaxial helicopter programs simultaneously, just as the United States once weighed competing approaches for next-generation rotorcraft. These technologies could give China aircraft with nearly double the speed of traditional helicopters. However, speed alone does not guarantee survivability. Modern battlefields, as seen in Ukraine, are extremely hostile to helicopters. Yet, with China's need for flexible lift capability across vast distances and its growing fleet of amphibious assault ships, these designs could play a vital role. It remains uncertain what weapons, sensors, or operational concepts will accompany this new rotorcraft, but one thing is clear: China is moving aggressively into advanced rotary-wing technologies. And in a twist of irony, Sikorsky's X-2 technology, which has yet to find a strong foothold in U.S. service, may ultimately be realized first by America's top-pacing rival.